Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your iPhone 11 to iCloud or to a computer now. Use iCloud Backup or connect the phone to a Mac or PC and run Finder or iTunes. Charge the battery to at least 50% or plug the phone into power for the entire update. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data interruptions during download and installation. Free up at least 2 GB of storage if prompted before you begin the update process. Confirm your Apple ID and password are ready for any post-update prompts. Open Settings on your iPhone 11, then tap General and Software Update to check for the latest version. If an update appears, tap Download and Install while connected to Wi-Fi and to a power source. Enter your passcode when prompted and accept any terms to begin the download phase. The download may take several minutes depending on your connection. If the update requires more space, use offload unused apps or delete large videos and photos to free at least 2 GB. The phone will restart and display an Apple logo, while if settings fails, connect your iPhone 11 to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to install the update. Select your device, click Check for Update, then download and update to proceed through the computer. If the iPhone becomes unresponsive, perform a force restart by pressing Volume Up, Volume Down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. After the update finishes, open critical apps, check battery performance and privacy settings, and restore your backup if any data appears missing or apps need reauthorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.